Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo S90 versus Toyota Camry. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which sedan best fits your needs. The Volvo S90 positions itself as a premium luxury vehicle, offering sophisticated design and advanced features. In contrast, the Toyota Camry is renowned for its reliability, efficiency, and practical appeal to a broader market. We'll delve into what makes each car unique. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Camry, now exclusively hybrid, delivers up to 232 horsepower, focusing on smooth, efficient power for daily driving. The Volvo S90, however, offers a more robust range, from 295 to 455 horsepower, with both mild and powerful plug-in hybrid options. This translates to a more dynamic and luxurious driving experience. For fuel economy, the Camry excels with up to 53 city and 50 highway miles per gallon, while the S90 plug-in hybrid can achieve an impressive 66 mpge combined. Inside, the Volvo S90 boasts a refined, upscale cabin with high-quality materials like open-pore wood and genuine leather, centered around a 9-inch display. The Toyota Camry provides a spacious and comfortable interior, featuring a larger 12.3-inch infotainment system and ample room for 5 adults. Both sedans prioritize safety, earning top ratings from organizations like the IAS and NHTSA. They come equipped with comprehensive driver assistance suites, including automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Considering value and ownership, the Toyota Camry starts at approximately $29,895, making it a highly accessible and cost-effective choice with strong resale value. The Volvo S90, starting around $59,495, is a luxury sedan that offers a premium experience and advanced technology. While the S90 provides a more opulent ride, the Camry delivers exceptional reliability and lower long-term costs. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize luxury and performance or practicality and efficiency. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.